Hey there! Welcome back, guys! Today we're going to be talking about the 3D printer. Basically today we're going to be exploring the theoretics of a dancing chicken. No, it's a ferret. Yes, it's a very amazing ferret. Yes. So today,
it's very long.
So we're going to be putting it together. As you can see, oh, that does not fit, because we have one more piece missing over there that we will explore a little later. But now we are going to explore what happens when the temperature is wrong. Now, over here in this room, it gets a little bit cold sometimes. So when the 3D printer gets cold, the filament is gets cold, so it doesn't really stick together and it doesn't get melty. It's really thin. You don't really want to do the custom, because this is what happens. Yes, it is very dry looking, and there are like cracks everywhere. Ooh, that is very that is very disturbing. This dancing body part of a chicken. Okay, so this is the walls. You could tell are much thicker, and there aren't any holes that aren't supposed to be there. And it's really hard to like squish. You can't really squish it, and it won't break. Very solid. Yep. But at the same time, if you do something like smaller, like shrink it, it might turn like really hard and not really bendable. But compared to this, the normal size, it's the tinier version. And the head just has these body parts that are just very tiny. Don't. Yeah, like, you can't even use this. Like, it's so hard. Over here, the bigger one. Yes. It is very big. It's like big. Oh, that's very bendable. Yes. Oh, look. Does this can barely even wiggle? Does this wiggle? No. No, it does not. You can always scale it up or scale it down to get the size that you want. But as you can see, you can't really do it certain sizes. Like 50% on this. This is 50. No, I'm pretty sure it's 60. No, 50%, and it does not go well. I mean, yeah, it's very tiny. I mean, like, you can always test if you can print like something like really cube, XY
or
cube, if you want a fish, it only takes like 2 minutes. And if it prints correctly, you know that your 3D printer is ready to print bigger stuff. And then we have over here the gone wrong picture of print. Oh yeah, that is definitely thin, not fully made. Wow. Yeah. It is like. All right. Well, let's move on to putting this ferret together. Okay, so here we are. We have our special spatula that we're going to use. So we have to always make sure that it is... Oh, we have to press finish. Finished. And then, and then we have to make sure that this bottom piece of it is like really sharp. Like the sharp end, like the flat type of piece is at the bottom. And you have to gently make sure you're not hurting the printer. So we put that to now the final piece. Oh. Very simple. Coming off of the printer. Oh, and look at that. Oh, that is much more bendable. Okay. So now oh my gosh. We're gonna have to like put all this together. Wow. Oh my, this is gonna be big. Like, we're gonna end with like this head sticking at the camera, but now there's like a big hole in the middle of here. Bruh. All right, let's get ready to building. Why is this so hard? Okay.
Need help? Want me to do it?
No. I think I can try to.
Here, let me try.
Yeah. How about the?
All right. So let's try putting this together. Okay. So this part, it's oval, goes like that.
Here, I'll do it.
But yeah. Alright, let's ask our dad.
This is really hard.
We put it in.
We got a muscly guy helping
Yeah,
us.
I think it oh, I see. It's a little snug in there. Wow. Okay. We can watch that way.
Oh, we got it.
You gotta snap it though. It's tricky.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard though. It does require muscle though.
Yeah, this does. So you might need your strongest guy in the family. It's really tricky, yeah.
Yeah, because if you crack it, you don't want it to break.
No, that's not.
It's not?
No.
Okay, sorry.
And then you
Good
add.
call, Amy. Thanks. Okay, ready? Now for the next one.
Muscly. Okay.
Okay. I wonder if there's way all the way in. Or, oh, interesting. No, does it disco? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Hold on.
Wait, should we watch the video?
Yeah, we should.
We're gonna watch this video. That's gonna help us decide which part goes where.
Let me get my computer.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go get the knowledge guy.
Wait, imagine it's a tail instead, and then there's a human head right there. I just wanna be part of this, you know. And, Little Mermaid. Yeah.
I just wanna be part.
Wait. I just wanna be part. Okay.
I just wanna be part of that world. Yeah.
Hello.
Also, you're gonna need later on in the video. We're gonna need to put rubber bands.
We'll talk about that later.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later.
So this is just one big fidget. You could do
Gigantic.
different
ones. There's like a squirrel. This is like, I'm not sure if this is a squirrel or what. Let me decide.
No,
on
it's
the
a
head.
ferret. I'm pretty sure it's a ferret.
Yeah, it's probably a ferret. It's a ferret. Yep.
It's definitely a ferret.
I just want to be.
I found the video.
Yeah, we're gonna watch a video. And the guy who's building this, yay!
Here.
Okay, let's watch this video.
Oh, here it is.
Jiggly, yeah.
Okay. Ah, this is alright. I must have a bigger printer because I printed it all in one shot. Okay, there's the head. We did that.
We have to cut that off.
Well, his came off easily. Huh.
Alright, so
Alright, so only one piece is being used. You saw that?
oh yeah, but he took it apart after the rubber bands and added the extra one.
Did he?
Yeah,
let's watch the.
Go to the rubber band.
Do you have
4.
three?
He has 4.
He has 4?
No.
Just watch and
Okay.
learn.
Wait for it.
Oh, okay.
He makes room.
Makes room, and he puts that one next to the one in the back. Okay, so 2 in the back and the rest in the front, right?
Yeah.
All right. So what do you want to do? Do you want to do 2 in the back, or
Yeah, 2.
Okay.
I want to do it the exact way.
like a ferret, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
a ferret has a very long body. I had one I touched one in vet camp. It was very naughty. It dug a hole to the other cafeteria. And then we had to chase it all around the middle
2 in
school.
the back, right?
Oh, that sounds
Excuse
fun.
me. Sorry.
It was very
say.
fun.
I just remember that requires muscle.
Muscle.
All right, ready? This is a tricky part because I'm always afraid it's gonna break. You know, because it requires power.
But if too much power is
Too much is not. Yeah. See, but he took it apart, which was kind of wild. Like he was able to. Wow, look at that. There it is. Moment of truth coming up. Look, and he can go on. He could actually. Okay, I'll let everyone
See
guys
the
is your
finished
show.
project.
Yeah.
You could see the hand shaking.
Last part. What was
Don't
that?
worry, that was the
Oh,
little headpiece.
I thought something broke. Oh yeah, there was a little one, right?
Yeah, the
Well,
little one
we
that
still might
broke.
be able to salvage this and print them smaller.
Yeah,
We'll see. It takes a
Kinda.
couple of days, though.
yeah, it does.
Right, here's the moment of truth.
Moment of
Right,
truth.
so maybe we do it upside down so it stays
Yeah,
down.
probably. Yeah. Mhm.
Right? Like, oh, that was hard.
No.
No, it's not in. You're right. Got it. Oh,
Oh, now we
That
need
was
to.
hard, it's
Now
tricky.
we need to put the rubber bands in.
we don't have any. Do you have any? You want to get some from
Yeah,
upstairs?
I can get from the loom kit.
Okay.
I
we
want to
have-
play with it.
But no, they have to be. Yeah, you'll figure it out. All
No,
right.
it will definitely
And
stretch.
now
Okay,
we
wow,
have.
That was hard. That took a lot of strength.
Yeah, you need a lot of strength for this. Now, look at this. Wait, hold on. I won't mind if I play with it. Oh, it's like.
Sorry. Mom,
Uh-oh.
where's the loom kit?
Oh, this isn't good. It's way too heavy.
Where's the loom kit?
Oh. I am.
I'm sorry, we have to make a ferret.
Look at this, you have your very own ferret. You could also, depends what color you used. You could also paint it. So you have little rubber bands you use.
Thank you.
That you twist, go twist,
I got
twist,
you.
twist, twist.
Don't worry.
And then ends there or something. So there you have it, your very own ferret.
Yeah, about that.
You only have one.
Yeah, but we have more.
We have more. We can always get
Yeah,
more.
we can always, yeah.
Yeah, you probably want one of those big ones. Okay. After that, you twist it.
I know. It's okay.
No, twist it, twist it. All right, now do it.
Don't break your fingers. Fingernail. Finger.
We'll do one, and then I'll get some rubber bands tomorrow when I'm in the city. Okay.
Okay.
You have to
attach that one.
Yeah.
No, from here too.
Oh. All right. So
That is why you need a big stretchy one, or else it will fall apart. Can he? You gotta twist it. Give me another one.
A rubber band?
No, this.
Another one of those.
Another one of those.
There's not another one. Just try.
Well, I know a pink one that's stretchier than
That's
this.
fine. We'll make it work. But look, you can feel the effect the rubber band has. We'll get it working. Okay. And the reason why it has to be the same one is because this way they all move together.
So you can add the rubber band, but we didn't because
We don't
it was
have
too
one
short.
yet.
We don't have one, but we'll get one and then it will be finished. You could also paint it if you want, but we're
With
going to
special
leave
paint,
it gray.
but we are going to leave it like this. You could always discontinue this little extra if you want, but you can not. You have to include at least one. And yeah, this is how it is. This probably took in total like
26 hours.
Yes, 26 hours. And if you had a bigger printer than the one that we have, you would have been able to print it in, I think, 19 hours. But it would have took, like, it might have been really hard, though, because something must have gone wrong.
So this is what we have now, our beautiful ferret.
We need rubber band, though, for it to be finished.
Well, that's if you want it.
No, you actually do need it.
Yeah, that's true. And here we are, the little pet.
So, if you have any comments, concerns, questions, you can always ask them in the box below.
Comment
section. And we will make sure to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you all
next time.